called Candyland. It's a game.
Yeah, where you try to get the princesses or their castle is,
That's
right?
right. And it's a game that we can all play together.
Yeah. And I want to share this whole thing with my friends.
Oh, that's very smart. It's very nice, too. You have one more, Carson.
Whose is it?
Remember that box underneath?
That?
No, not that one. The one underneath it.
Huh?
Yeah, that one is yours.
Oh, I gotta move this one.